Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Franca and welcome back to Stars by Franca. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching us how to make this native cap, a Yoruba Abeti Aja cap. Let's go straight into this video. So I'm using Ashoke for this project. So I'm going to be marking out my starting point. I'm going to chalk it out like this, and the headband the size of the cap we are doing is 24 inches. So 24 inches divided by 2. I'm going to be marking it out. 24 divided by 2. I'm going to chalk it out and mark it. 24 divided by 2, that's 12 inches. Then I'm going to roll it out like this. Then I'm going to be adding 2 inches sewing allowance to it. It depends on the allowance you want, but I'm using 2 inches for my allowance and I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to be cutting it out. Then I'm going to cut another one, making it 2 pieces. I need 2 of these. Then I'm going to cut another one out like this. So that's the actual cap measurement. So in this video, this is going to be the cutting part. There's going to be a sewing part. It's going to be different videos. I don't want it to be too long. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video to people that are interested in sewing tutorials like this. So here's me. I folded another Ashoke, and it is going to be 4 inches longer than the first one we cut out. You know, the first one we cut out was 12 inches plus 2 inches. Then the other one is going to be longer by 4 inches. I hope you understand. Then I cut it out. The difference is 4 inches. So we have a longer part and we have the shorter part as well. The shorter one is 2 and the longer one is 2. The difference is 4 inches by length. So this is going to be so we are done cutting this. So I'm just chalking out the wrong side.